Hi viewers, I hope you are having an amazing day. In today's video by Instant Nerd, you are going to learn how to fix Google Play Store's server error. It's a common error that may hinder you from downloading your favorite games and apps from Google. So to get rid of it, here's what you need to do. First of all, open the settings on your Android phone. Find the option of apps. This will show you all the apps installed on your phone. Here you have to find Google Play Services. Tap Open it and clear the cache first. Afterwards, open the Manage Storage option. From here, clear all the data. Once done, return to the app list and tap Open the Google Play Store, which is right below Google Play Services. Clear the cache first and then tap on Clear Data. It will clear all the app data. Now, you have to tap open your browser and search for Google Play Store on Google. Tap Open the first official link. This will potentially resolve your issue. See, now the Google Play Store is opening and working fine for me. However, if the problem persists, check your Wi-Fi or data connection. That's it. Now, you know how to fix Google Play Store server error. For more informative how-to tutorials, subscribe and keep following my YouTube channel.